Hi everybody, how you doing? Welcome back. Another glorious day in West Yorkshire. Just look at the weather. Forecast is that it's going to change though at the end of this week. Going to get some rain. I can't remember the last time I've seen any rain, but we're certainly going to make the most of it today. It's hot and sunny, so we're going for a walk. Today's walk should be a good one. We're going to be checking out the countryside above New Mill, going up to a place called Fulstone, small hamlet just on the top of the side of the valley. I'd love for you to join me on this walk. So what say we get cracking? Let's go see what we can find. Let's go and have a look at today's route on the map. Today's walk starts at the church just outside the centre of New Mill. We climb up the side of the valley and find our way to a place called Biggin. From here we go across the fields heading towards Fulstone. After leaving Fulstone, we have one more climb up the side of the valley before dropping back down to New Mill, the church and journey's end. And from here we just have to follow this road up a couple of 100 metres and then we're back off onto a path through the countryside. Look at this beautiful oak tree. Oh, gorgeous, gorgeous. Wow, look at this. Ooh. Now there we can see the hamlet of Fulstone, right in front of us there on that banking. That's where we're heading to. Now guys, as luck would have it, I have some drone footage that I took a while back of this area here, and there'll be a little bit of footage of Fulstone as well, so if I can dig it out, I'll put it on the screen now. Oh, this is a steep stile. Elvis and Boris. Oh, there they are. Yo, Elvis and Boris. Oh, guys, I hope you can see these two fellas. I assume they're fellas. Elvis and Boris, they must be fellas. Hey, guys, what you up to? What you up to? Oh, you're ace. Hello, guys. You all up to? Huh? Hey, hello. Hello. I've nothing to eat. Oh, sorry. You didn't like that, did you? Huh? So this is Elvis and Boris. You Elvis and Boris, which is which then? Huh? Which is which? I can't really tell. Anybody like to hazard a guess which is Elvis and which is Boris? Hmm? Put your thoughts in the comments down below. You are probably Boris, I would say. Yo, Boris. Boris, what you doing? And Elvis is over there. Not interested. Anyway, guys, good to meet you. See you later. Elvis and Boris, everybody. Yay! Right, so this is Fulstone, probably called Fulstone. And this is a sneaky beaky path between these houses. Ah, this is the path we need. I think this must be one of the cutest little paths we've been on for a while. The shroud of wisteria hanging over us. Ooh, smells gorgeous. A bit narrow here. Gate action. Listen for the click. Oh yeah, that's quality. Oh, it's getting a bit warm now, guys. The sun has actually gone behind some clouds, but there's very little breeze down here. So it's quite warm. Not complaining, no complaints here. So anyway, that was Fulstone, or Fulstone, not sure how it's pronounced. Probably Fulstone. We're in Yorkshire after all. Oh, nice old gate. Yes, let's see if it makes a noise. Well, of course it does. Check that out. Yeah, loving it. Now we've got some uphill to do. Oh, it's very steep. Ah, yes. The obligatory footage of the silly old man huffing and puffing up the hill. You know, these are the bits that you enjoy the most. Now, as we're getting higher, the view has really opened up. You'll be familiar with the profile that you can see in front of you of the Upper Home Valley. A few of those areas we've already visited as well. An old rustic gate again, but actually we're going this way. Yeah, oh yeah, keeping you on your toes, guys. Yeah, keeping you on your toes. We're going up here. We're going to be walking along the ridge above the valley now for a little while before we start dropping back down towards New Mill. A stile and a gate, whoa. Double delight. Let's have a look. Hoop. Up the stile and through the gate. Oh my goodness, it's serious security. We've got a latch and a bit of twine. Hey guys, what are you up to? Whoa, whoa. There we go. No escaping for you lot. And back out into the sunshine. Oh, what a glorious view. Just stop for a little rest on this conveniently placed bench, just for a few minutes. This is actually the highest point on the walk. It's about 260 metres. So guys, I hope you're enjoying the video so far. If you are, please drop me a like down below. Hit the old thumbs up button, smash it 2025 style, whatever that means. And if you're really enjoying it, please consider subscribing. That way you won't miss anything. Next time a video drops, bing, it'll be down there in your YouTube timeline. Anyway, the next part of the walk is going to be just dropping back down into New Mill. But hopefully some more good views and some lovely countryside. Oh, this weather's fantastic. Loving it. Has it got a clunk? That's pretty satisfying, yeah. Not sure where I'm going now. I'll just follow the path. I'll just blindly follow the path. Oh, it peters out. Oh, it could just be a sheep track. Oh, God. Ah, there's a gate down there. I can see it. No need to worry, guys. I know where I'm going. Well, it's clouded over a little bit now, but still warm and very still as well. The wind's dropped right down. Not a breath of wind at the moment. Oh, look at this. A field of dandelion clocks. Bit spooky. This is a bit mad. Oh, hang on. Is this gate serviceable? Actually, no. That gate looks like it'd fall over. So I'll go through here. Whoop. Oh, wow. That was very dodgy. Serious dodginess going on there. Well guys, we're almost back at the car now. We're just parked up here by the church. Before I sign off though, I've got some drone footage that I took around the church area, so I'll dig that out and I'll put that on the screen now. See what you think. So that's it guys, back at the church. The car's just parked outside the church grounds, and so I'll sign off now. Hope you've enjoyed today's video. We've had some cracking weather, some nice views and some beautiful countryside. Hope you've enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, usual stuff, and I will see you in the next video. Cheers guys, bye.